In this video, we are sharing a simple rice flour face mask recipe for skin whitening. This works great to remove suntan, blackheads, whiteheads, acne and give you clean, clear and glowing skin. This will brighten your complexion and it works magic on your skin. For this we need 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Rice flour is an excellent anti-aging ingredient, thanks to the presence of B vitamins in it. It has the ability to boost collagen production in the skin. Milk. Milk helps in boosting our complexion and gives soft, beautiful skin. Rice and milk are magical combination for skin whitening. 1 teaspoon almond oil. Almond oil helps in skin whitening and brightening. Before we go ahead with this simple remedy, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips. In a bowl, take a tablespoon of rice flour and add some milk to that. Add it as per the consistency needed. Mix well together and make a paste. Now add 1 teaspoon almond oil. You can use coconut oil or olive oil also. Apply it on the face and neck, massaging gently with your fingertips. Keep it on the skin for 15 to 20 minutes. It should be completely dry. And then wash off with plain water, follow up with few cold water splashes. Then apply your favorite face serum. Repeat 2 to 3 times in a week. You are going to love this remedy. You will notice immediate results. This whiten your skin like Snow White. It removes pigmentation and dark spots. This will improve your overall skin texture. Try this remedy and send your feedback in the comments below. If you love this video, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family. See you in my next video.